Breaking news tonight in the major case against the former president that's turning into a major mess. Late today in Atlanta, Fulton County Commissioner launched a probe into allegations that District Attorney Fani Willis misused county funds and, quote, accepted valuable gifts and personal benefits from the special prosecutor that she hired to prosecute the case. His name is Nathan Wade. He and DA Willis are already facing allegations of having an improper relationship, including from the former president. And the county commissioner's announcement tonight follows the revelation in a divorce proceeding that Wade paid for Willis to travel with him on out-of-state trips. So CNN's Caitlin Polent joins us now with more. So what did you learn from the court filing in this special prosecutor's divorce case? So Fulton County commissioners launched an inquiry into the matter. Where does that stand?
Yeah, that is the news that we just learned of today, this evening, and it is a Republican commissioner in Fulton County who is serving on an audit board. He's the chair of the audit board, and he has requested information from DA Willis. The question for him boils down to, is there a misuse of county funds here? Now, we don't know what he'll be able to get out of that case. There's set to be a hearing in the middle of February about this.
Well, Anderson, there are some real problems here for the DA, but I think it's also really important to differentiate what matters legally from what does not matter.
There's no legal ramification if they were having a relationship. I mean, she hired him, is there some sort of employer problem?
Well, so this gets into the potential conflict of interest and the money, where there could be an issue. So first of all, there's a genuine question about Mr. Wade's qualifications here. He's been a lawyer for a long time. His primary area of practice before this was personal injury and traffic law. He's never prosecuted a felony criminal case before, and yet now suddenly he's leading the biggest criminal case in the history of this office. And when we look at the money here, Mr. Wade is one of 3 outside attorneys who's being brought in on a contract basis to work with the DA. Nothing uncommon about that. But if we look at the amount of money that's been paid to these 3 lawyers over the last 2 years, one of them's made $73,000, one of them's made $90,000, and Mr. Wade has been paid $650,000+. That's an enormous discrepancy. And Anderson, if some of that money is making its way back to the DA, whether through trips or hotel or other entertainment or arrangements, then you have a problem with a conflict of interest.